irrigating water in different drains, there can't be a better option than this. This iron net formed over the river can filter out the garbage that comes into the water. This agri-sifter plays important role for quick cleaning and removing unwanted material. Here corn is being separated with the help of a cycle and drill. With the help of this slider and tires, the bricks can be brought down safely so that they don't break. A manual pipe bender that can easily bend a steel and iron pipe. Now you can print any design using this screen t-shirt printing machine. This is fully automatic cooking process for baking bread. A multi-purpose manual planter that distributes seed evenly with same quantity. Through the drip irrigation system, water is saved and irrigation is done in a better way. Bull-powered chaff cutter was a old technology used in many Asian countries. Old irrigation system was successful when water levels were higher. A tractor-powered loader attachment that picks grain and can load into a container. Even difficult tasks can be made easy by using your skills. This is DIY number lock mechanism that opens when the number matches. Those people who try to discover something new, they create an invention one day. A boom sprayer that shoots water very far with high-speed fan. The task that old man has done based on his skills is really amazing. A smart worker cuts raw mango into pieces for making pickles. Look at this, people have very limited resources but still they create their own invention. A smart experiment that meets the need for a cooler. This loader machine can load products with improved efficiency and can be carried on a vehicle. A vegetable seedling transplanter tool that can plant on soil bedsheet. Fast and steady speed work makes easier for feeding calf. This is rope making machine which makes a rope by threading multiple threads. A tractor power rotator that removes polytunnel sheet after vegetable cultivation. This is a manual glass sealing machine that puts a wrap on the glass for perfect packaging. A wood low cutter that's easier to carry from one place to another. A tractor powered pulley by which you can wrap any kind of hose pipe or wire. This machine makes packaging easy by collecting the chopped vegetable and uploading them onto a conveyor belt. Look at this amazing bike-powered attachment with which drains are being made in the fields. This is a DIY wrench that can open multiple size bolts and bands. An attachment equipped with a truck that can clean road fencing. A manual sensing weed removal that can uproot unwanted grass. A handheld laser welding machine that can join two metal with instance. A wooden mold in which the peanuts are separated from the shelled peanuts. Different types of molds are used for metal casting such as clay, foam and ceramic shell. This type of wood is used to extract sugarcane juice in many countries that preserves nutrition value. A conveyor loader on which the tiles is placed that makes loading onto a truck much easier. A roller conveyor sport on which object can freely flow and change its direction according to need.